painting.
Okay, you ready? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Hello, what is that?
It's witchcraft.
Do you work with her?
Yeah.
You work with her? I don't know who this is. I'm gonna burn you.
There's more witches than you right now.
Oh my god. I don't think they're a witch. I think this one's a warlock. The warlock vampires are scary. Especially body paint.
I'm just hanging around until 8 o'clock.
I'm almost burned. I have nowhere to run to.
Oh no.
Look, if I'm
Oh no, I've caught it. I think I've caught the plague. She got the plague too. Everybody's catching it.
She's a witch that is evil. She's a evil witch. She burned my home down. I did no such thing. You're the one that turned the fire on. You know, because you gave us the plague. I did not. You're a liar. Why do you keep accusing me?
What is she doing? Go look.
children of the night.
Bravo, bravo.
You're next. You're next. That blood
Bravo.
is traveling my suffering.
Witchcraft.
You're back with your witchcraft. You just missed a burning. It could have been you.
Oh no.
You're work with the witch! No!
Devices of yours are sure to burn you next.
Hey, get away from your friend! No talking!
You're my friend.
You work with the witch.
Bye-bye.
You spread the plague. That's how you do it.
I do not.
You did that. She did. She did. It's all your fault. I don't trust you anymore.
I don't think she did it. Lovely terms.
Witchcraft.
Looks like a bag. Yeah. It's witchcraft. Witchcraft.
Witchcraft.
What is that? Fire!
Oh,
Fire!
star.
Oh, it's so bright! Witchcraft! Oh my gosh!
That's the witchcraft.
Oh my gosh!
This stick was tripping
It's a
me.
magic wand! Oh my gosh!
Wizard.
What is that? Witchcraft! How is this possible? Oh my gosh, it's a witch! The other follower, you were drinking blood earlier. No,
That's a vampire.
Yeah, you said vampire.
That's a vampire.
No. No, we still burn
That's not a witchcraft thing.
We'll
That's
burn
a
you.
demon thing.
you. Even worse. A screaming competition. All right, let's put you on the stake. And let's see it for
I don't know.
real.
I've been told I got pretty good screams.
Yeah, because we burned her.
Yes.
Okay.
They're very real. They are.
Okay, what? Okay.
Everyone's dead.
Do we just scream? Like we're being burned at the stake? Okay. You go first.
I don't have to.
No. This is between us. I'll go first. Oh gosh.
Are you doing your Back of My Days?
I'm gonna impersonate her. I'm not a witch. I'm just acting.
Burn her!
No!
Yes!
I was acting.
Witch!
I was
Burn
acting.
that one!
Your turn.
She shall perish!
Okay then.
King's on Jones.
Witch!
My turn!
Are you sure
This is unholy. You. Yes! Yes!
help. I got your help. Thank you. Oh, you brought my friend.
I'd say you win. I know.
Witch.
I'm not a witch. You're a witch. She's a witch. Look at that.
Those are so cool. We never had anything like this.
She's the witch.
What's the one thing you would tell anybody who comes to this area?
Stay away from the witch.
You're the witch.
No.
You're so wrong.
What? I protect people from the witch.
Where'd you learn about witchcraft?
From her, from Temperance. She would heal us from our sickness, and now she's not anymore. Yeah. Her and her friends, they did this to us.
Hopefully on the final night, you don't get burned.
What?
Because there'll be no more witches left.
Yeah. Yes. I like
Yes.
that. No more witches.
No more witches.
Oh my god.
You got got.
They found me!
Me?
Yes, you.
Never!
Always you.
Can I get your I thought you were guilty. You're a liar. You're phony.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You're such a liar.
He put him in.